Let's look at measures of center, finding the mean, median, and mode using Excel. Here's an Excel spreadsheet showing the ages of the 56 signers of the Declaration of Independence. Find the mean, median, and mode. Let's look at the mean first. To find the mean, surprisingly, we don't use mean, we just use average because, of course, the mean is the average. So here's an Excel spreadsheet showing the ages of the signers of the Declaration of Independence when they signed. You can look at this column, age in 1776, blah, blah, blah. So if we want to find the average age, all we have to do is type in equals, got to remember that equals, and then average. You just start typing average and then it'll come up with average. Isn't that convenient? Okay, so we want the average of these. So let's click on this first one. And then we'll just scroll down, so hit Shift and down arrow, and that will include all of these. Keep going, almost there, not quite done yet. Okay, so that includes all of them. Then release Shift and down arrow, and now let's scroll up. Okay, so it looks like it's E2 through E57. Now close the parenthesis, right parenthesis, and press Enter. So it looks like the average age of the people who signed the Declaration of Independence is 44.51 years. To find the median, use equals median. Not surprising there. So on our Excel spreadsheet, let's just start typing in a different cell. Equals MED. How convenient. Returns the median. Okay. Now, rather than choose all the things in column E from E2 to E57, what we're going to do is just click on the top of column E. This is a faster way to do that. So notice median of E colon E. In other words, it's going to calculate the median of everything in column E. And then we'll just close the parenthesis there, include the right parenthesis. Now you might think, well, gosh, isn't that going to include this first thing here, age in 1776? It does not. It's not going to include that entry in E1 because it disregards text. So we press Enter. And we got 44.5. That's the median age of everyone who signed the Declaration of Independence. And now let's find the mode. To find the mode, use equals mode.mult. The .mult means that it can give multiple answers because sometimes there are multiple modes. So in this case, equals mode. And it gives you different options. We're going to choose mode.mult. Okay, and we want everything in column E, so we'll just click on this first entry. Mode of everything in column E, close the parenthesis, and here's what it gives us, 46, 50, and 45. There are 3 modes, and so it returns all 3 modes. If you chose the other mode, it might just give you a single mode. We want all 3 modes.